Hi everyone, welcome to Crafting with Julia. I'm Julia and I'm so glad you tuned in today. If you enjoy my video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. I love to get feedback from my viewers. Also, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you can be notified of all my newly released videos. Also, feel free to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I invite you to join my Facebook group called Crafting with Julia's Creative Community, where you can be part of my crafting family. All of those links are in the description below this video. So here's my craft room, all organized. I had all my beads organized, my fabric. I love this craft room. So much went on in here, so much creation. And then we decided to move, so I had to pack it all up. I had to pack my sewing machines, my embroidery machine, all my paints, my workbench, all my tools, everything got packed up, all in a box. Had to take it all down. And here it is, all taken down. Everything is gone. All of that stuff was packed up. It took me forever, but I did it. So here we are. And as you know, I'm staying in a rental until my new house is done. So I had these grandiose ideas that I was going to have a little spot in the basement where I could do my crafting. But it didn't turn out that way. This is what this area looks like. This is all my craft stuff, all packed up. Those are my sewing machines, my Cricut machines. Every box here you see is for my craft room. And it's all packed up nicely, and I dread the thought of unpacking it just to pack it all up 6 months from now, because that's what it's going to take. I will be back in my new house. I will be there probably late this year, and I have a wonderful craft room there. So everything will have to wait until then. I will not be crafting, but I will be posting the progress of my new craft room, which is so exciting. So I would hope that you still join me in my videos and catch me back here crafting at the end of the year. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again real soon. Happy crafting!